Now most of the stuff is removed from here. You can see all the cables disconnected. And here's where it goes inside to the cabinets. There was a bus bar there, that was for batteries. Just a big switch. Or this connect breaker. There was some wires to trip it. Let's remove all the stuff that is left now, disconnecting these big control boards. This part here. And to connect some light. The UPS is gone. So much stuff for a room. As you can see, a lot of stuff is removed from this one. The variac and the reactor coil. And it was two boards, like this one. One was here with the ballasts on it, that is removed. And yes, a lot of wires. And the power comes from here. Got a 3-phase, 16 amps, 400 volts. I will remove these panels as well. And there's a lot of cables and this bus bar underneath all the cabinets here. This board had actually nice wiring. It took a while to make that. How much power are we consuming? 28 watts. And this one goes to the other panel. 8 watts or 7 watts to that one. And this one is for emergency power. Which is of course 0, nothing is connected. So that electric meter here is this one. Here are two other electric meters.